Out here in the unforgiving embrace of the wild, we quickly learn what truly matters. The vast expanse of nature strips away the superficial, leaving only the essentials. In these moments we are reminded of our primal needs and the delicate balance of life. Shelter, fire, and above all else, water. These are the pillars of survival, the foundation upon which our existence rests. Without them, the wilderness becomes an insurmountable challenge, a test of endurance and resilience. Water is life. It's the fluid of existence coursing through our veins, regulating our temperature and keeping our bodies functioning. Every drop is a testament to the intricate systems that sustain us, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. 3 days, that's all it takes. 3 days without water and the human body begins to shut down. The signs are unmistakable: dry mouth, dizziness, and a relentless fatigue that seeps into your bones. Dehydration sets in, a cruel tormentor that saps your strength, clouds your judgment, and ultimately can claim your life. It's a slow, agonizing process that underscores the importance of this precious resource. Whether you're facing a natural disaster, navigating the wilderness, or preparing for any unforeseen emergency, securing access to clean water is non-negotiable. It's a skill that can mean the difference between life and death, a knowledge that empowers and protects. It's the difference between survival and succumbing to the unforgiving grip of dehydration. The moment you take that first sip of clean water, you feel a surge of life, a rejuvenation that revitalizes your spirit and body. Water is not just about quenching thirst, it's about sustaining life itself. It's the essence of our being, the elixir that nourishes our soul and keeps the cycle of life in motion. Cherish it, respect it, and never take it for granted. The world may seem like a vast and bountiful source of water, but looks can be deceiving. Hidden within seemingly pristine streams, rivers, and even rainwater, lurks an invisible enemy: contamination. Microscopic bacteria, viruses, and parasites lie in wait, ready to turn a refreshing drink into a debilitating illness. One sip of contaminated water can lead to crippling stomach cramps, fever, diarrhea, and even life-threatening diseases. We can't afford to take chances. Boiling water is always the best defense, but when time and resources are scarce, a DIY water filter becomes your greatest ally, standing between you and the invisible threats lurking in the water. Building a DIY water filter isn't about complex engineering, it's about understanding the basic principles of filtration. In survival situations, clean water is paramount. Without it, dehydration and waterborne diseases can quickly become life-threatening. Knowing how to create a simple yet effective water filter can be a game-changer. Using readily available materials to your advantage is key. Nature provides us with everything we need if we know where to look and how to use it. The first step is to gather the right materials. Here's what you'll need: a plastic bottle, which will serve as the body of your filter. Plastic bottles are lightweight, durable, and can be found almost anywhere, making them an ideal choice for this project. Cut off the bottom portion to create a funnel shape. This funnel will help direct the water through the various filtering layers, ensuring maximum contact with each material. A clean piece of cloth, even a t-shirt will do, acts as the first line of defense, trapping larger particles. This initial layer is crucial for removing debris like leaves, insects, and dirt. Charcoal, this natural purifier, is key. Charcoal is highly porous, which allows it to absorb impurities and contaminants effectively. Charcoal absorbs impurities and improves both the taste and odor of the water. It's a powerful tool in your filtration arsenal, capable of removing harmful chemicals and pathogens. A layer of sand acts as a fine mesh, catching smaller sediment and debris. Sand is abundant and easy to collect, making it an excellent filtering material. Gravel forms the base of your filter, providing support for the layers above and allowing for water flow. The gravel layer ensures that the water passes evenly through the filter, preventing clogging and maintaining a steady flow rate. These simple materials, often found or easily improvised in the wild, are all you need to create a barrier between you and harmful contaminants. By understanding and utilizing these basic principles, you can ensure a reliable source of clean water, no matter where you are. This knowledge not only enhances your survival skills, but also gives you the confidence to face the challenges of the wilderness head-on. The beauty of a DIY water filter lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. Each layer plays a crucial role in removing impurities and making water safer for consumption. The cloth barrier, this initial layer, acts like a net, catching leaves, twigs, and other large debris. Charcoal, the purifier, is a natural powerhouse when it comes to filtration. Its porous surface traps impurities, absorbing chemicals, heavy metals, and even bacteria. The sand layer acts as a fine sieve, trapping smaller particles that manage to sneak past the charcoal. Gravel forms the foundation, this bottom layer providing structural support for the filter and ensuring proper water flow. By working together, these layers create a multi-stage filtration system that significantly improves the clarity and safety of your water. Building your lifeline. A step-by-step guide to DIY water filtration. In this section we will walk you through the process of creating a simple yet effective water filter using materials you can easily find in nature or around your home. This guide is essential for anyone interested in outdoor survival, camping, or simply being prepared for emergencies. Now that you understand the function of each layer, let's put this knowledge into action and build our DIY water filter. First, prepare the bottle. You'll need a clean plastic bottle, preferably a 2-liter one. This will serve as the main body of your filter. Thoroughly clean your plastic bottle and remove the bottom portion. This will allow you to easily add and layer the filtering materials. Make sure to rinse it well to remove any residues or contaminants. Next, the cloth barrier. Place a piece of clean cloth over the bottle's opening, securing it tightly with a rubber band or string. This cloth acts as the first line of defense, filtering out larger debris and particles from the water. Now, for the charcoal power. Charcoal is excellent at removing impurities and toxins from water, making it a crucial component of your filter. Add a layer of crushed charcoal on top of the cloth. Ensure the charcoal is evenly distributed to maximize its filtering capabilities. Aim for a layer about 2 to 3 inches thick. This thickness is optimal for effectively trapping contaminants and purifying the water. After that, it's time for sand's fine touch. Sand helps to filter out smaller particles that the charcoal might miss. Pour a layer of sand over the charcoal, again aiming for a thickness of 2 to 3 inches. The sand layer will further purify the water by trapping finer sediments. Finally, the gravel foundation. Add a layer of gravel to the bottom of the bottle, creating a stable base for the filter. The gravel helps to keep the other layers in place and provides initial filtration of larger particles. Congratulations, you've just built your lifeline. This DIY water filter is a simple yet powerful tool that can make a significant difference in survival situations. This simple device has the potential to transform potentially harmful water into a source of life. Always remember to test your filter with a small amount of water first to ensure it's working correctly. Stay safe and hydrated. Safety first. Precautions for a clean and reliable water supply. While our DIY filter is effective, it's crucial to remember that it's not a foolproof system. To ensure the safest possible water supply, always prioritize these precautions. Source selection. Whenever possible, choose water sources that appear clearer and less contaminated. Avoid stagnant water or water sources near obvious pollution. Pre-filtering. Before pouring water into your filter, pre-filter it through a bandana or cloth to remove larger debris. Boiling for safety. While the filter removes many impurities, boiling water for at least 1 minute remains the most reliable method to kill harmful bacteria and viruses. Your health is paramount. Never compromise on safety when it comes to your water supply. Maximizing efficiency tips for crystal clear results. Every drop of clean water is precious. Here are some tips to maximize your filter's efficiency and ensure the clearest possible results. Slow and steady. Pour water slowly through the filter, allowing each layer to do its job effectively. Multiple passes. For even cleaner water, consider passing the filtered water through the system multiple times. Filter maintenance. Over time, the filter layers will become clogged. Periodically replace the layers with fresh materials to maintain optimal filtration. By implementing these tips, you can significantly improve the clarity and quality of your filtered water, making it safer and more palatable. From murky to marvelous testing and using your DIY filter. You've built your filter, now it's time to put it to the test. Here's how to use your DIY water filter effectively. The first pass. Pour a small amount of water through the filter to settle the layers and remove any loose particles. Discard this initial water. Observe and evaluate. Carefully observe the filtered water. It should be noticeably clearer than the source water. Boiling for safety. As always, boil the filtered water for at least 1 minute to eliminate any remaining harmful organisms. Your DIY filter is a valuable tool, but it's not a guarantee of absolute purity. Always prioritize boiling your water to ensure its safety. The journey to water wisdom: practice, resources, and continuous learning. Mastering the art of water filtration is an ongoing journey. The more you practice, the more confident and resourceful you'll become. Seek out additional knowledge, study survival guides, connect with experienced outdoorsmen, and never stop learning about water purification techniques. Your life may depend on it. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to securing one of life's most essential elements: clean water. Stay prepared, stay safe, and never underestimate the importance of clean water in your survival arsenal.